Together, the most important thing we can do is to protect what remains of what's still intact. Places that have yet to be destroyed or disturbed by human influence, and to restore what we can of what's been lost. 90% of many of the big fish in the sea are already gone because of us. But now we understand that our existence really depends on maintaining the integrity of the natural world, that we've gone past the point of saving some of the critical elements that are vital to our future. The best we can do is save those places that have not yet been destroyed or modified, and then look at those places as models of what we can do to restore what's been lost in the ocean. Coral reefs. Best thing we can do is save what remains of those that are still healthy, in good condition, and to stop the killing of the elements of more than just the coral. The fish, the lobsters, all those things make up a coral reef. I think in the end, the objective of all of the conservation organizations, although they come with different perspectives and different ways of addressing the big issue, is maintaining a planet that works in our favor. It's a selfish way to look at it. There are ethical, moral reasons for saying we need to save elephants for their own sake, not just for our sake. But whatever it takes to save them is good enough for most of us who care.